Alright, what is up everybody? Here we are again out here working on the CRX. So the engine bay is done for now. I'll log it. What we're doing now is I'm going to go ahead and disassemble this B18. I'm not going to put it in like it is. The guy said it smoked, so why the fuck would I put it in smoking? That'd be pretty stupid, huh? So yeah, we're going to disassemble it, check it out, make sure it's good, and then go from there. If it's good, great, then we will get like a rebuild kit and you know, the other goodies. I'm not sure what we're getting yet, what we're doing with it, but I want to disassemble it and check it out. So let's go along for the journey and do that. In this video, I'm pretty sure that's all I'm going to do is just disassemble that. But yeah, I figured fuck it, I'll video disassembling it and show you that. So check it out. I'm draining the oil now, and it's so freaking chunky and gross. I don't even know, like what? Ugh. Gross. Good stuff. Well, we got the head off, and I mean, no abnormal wear or anything. Don't look bad. Some rust in there, but the spark plugs weren't in, so I guess that's to be expected. But yeah, I mean, pretty cool. I don't know. I'm about to flip it over and then we'll pull the rest of it apart. So let's get to it, eh? So as you just saw, I disassembled the motor. I got the head off, and I have the oil pan and the little no, it's not a girdle. Is it a girdle? I don't know. The little Madoohickey oil fucking pan thingy in there cover. I don't know what the fuck it's called. But yeah, I got all that off, and then I was checking out the rods, and rod number 1, cylinder 1, actually has a little bit of play, so that's not good, but it's just a tiny little bit of play. Oil cylinders look good. Yeah, so I mean, not too bad. Yeah, so it's super freaking gross in there, as you can see, like super gross, but yeah, seems to be okay. So I guess I'll just get some plastic gauge and double check my clearances and make sure the shit's good before we put it back together. But I think we did good, boys. I think we got a good deal on this, so yeah. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We are getting some parts tomorrow, so that's exciting. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, give me some tips, some feedback, let me know. Thank you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.